Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing some burps.
Wait till remember to sit up. Straight so you get more air out.
Actually, I'm gonna stand up. Wait. That sucked.
Getting out before was pretty bad. That was a good one though.
It was wet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
All these are really good.
I had some puke come up. Again.
You should check out my channel. I mean, Jordan's channel. Did a pop drinking contest while you guys were gone on gymnastics.
But
A pop drinking contest.
What is it called?
Soda drinking contest.
Look at it.
oh dear.
Dude, that's a good one.
It feels like you're about to vomit.
Damn song.
Wait, let's do two more, guys. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. That means a lot. And goodbye.
And subscribe to me.